Catherine Bernardo update. And IB Day ni Catherine.
First ever treatment for 2026. So come! Join me. Let's go.
Yan. IB Day with Catherine Bernardo. Stop ng IB.
Hi! Happy New Year! Life update, it's 2026. We're still taping for my TV series with Ate Madge. Actually, yun yung medyo pinagkabisihan ko last quarter of 2025 until 2026. So, yun, focus muna ako sa TV series. So, nag-breakout din ako. Another update, skin update. So, IB's here to the rescue. I did my facial and air relays every time I get breakout. So, I'm happy na I was able to make time today. My Ivy goals, he asks me this question every year. But this year, same pa rin naman, but maybe 2026, I just want to keep my skin looking well-rested and well taken care of despite my busy schedule. So Ivy is there to do the job, and I just want to keep doing the usual treatments that I do. And siguro ang resolution ko for 2026, magta-try ako ng iba-ibang treatments once in a while. Kasi naging habit ko, once I like a laser and a treatment, I will just keep doing that. Yun lang pa ulit-ulit. So sometimes hindi ko na natatry yung ibang laser. So maybe for 2026, yun yung gagawin ko sa next visit ko. I'll be trying and so now, quick visit lang. Yan lang naman. Always make time for IV. Wellness diet this year.
Yan, ang ganda ni Catherine. IB. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. Please make sure to action like, stay tuned for more videos. See ya.